What if I told you that out of the hundreds of AI tools out there, you only need 5 to achieve all your goals? In this 12-minute guide, we'll cut through the noise and focus on the essential AI tools everyone should be using. AI writing tools. Let's start with AI writing tools. These are perfect for generating content, brainstorming ideas, or even just overcoming writer's block. The best AI writing tool, hands down, is Jasper AI. It uses advanced language models to understand context and generate highly relevant, engaging copy. Whether you need blog posts, ad copy, or product descriptions, Jasper can handle it all with impressive results. Another great option is Copy AI. It has templates for over 90 different types of content, so you can get a head start no matter what you're writing. Plus, its AI-powered tone adjuster lets you easily switch between formal, enthusiastic, or even humorous tones to match your brand voice perfectly. AI image generation. Next up, AI image generation tools. These allow you to create stunning visuals just by describing what you want. The gold standard here is DALL-E 2 from OpenAI. Just enter a text prompt, and it will generate an image that matches. It's incredible for creating unique art, designs, or even photorealistic images from scratch. Midjourney is another popular choice. Its AI model has been trained on a vast array of visual styles, so it can generate anything from impressionist paintings to 3D renders. The community aspect is also really strong with Midjourney, making it great for collaborating and sharing creations. AI coding tools for developers. AI coding tools are a game changer. They can write code, explain complex functions, and even debug errors. GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer that suggests code in real time as you type. It draws from a deep understanding of code syntax and best practices to offer relevant suggestions super quickly. This can drastically speed up your development workflow. Another tool I recommend is Kite. It's an AI-powered coding assistant that works right within your IDE. Ask it questions about your code, get explanations for error messages, or even have it write whole functions for you. It supports a ton of languages and can really level up your coding efficiency. AI productivity tools. Outside of specific use cases like writing or coding, there are also great general productivity AI tools. One of my favorites is Notion AI. This takes the already powerful note-taking and project management app and supercharges it with AI capabilities. It can automatically outline documents for you, generate content from prompts, or even write and reply to emails. Another must-try is Claude from Anthropic. It's an AI system that can basically handle any task you throw at it, answering questions, writing content, doing math, analyzing data points, you name it. The interface is super intuitive too, making it great for non-tech-savvy folks as well. Honorable mentions, of course. There are tons of other awesome AI tools out there. Some honorable mentions include Lumen 5 for turning blog posts into engaging videos, Flicky for creating AI-powered animations, Synthesia for generating AI avatars, and Virtual Presenters, Perplexity for analyzing and summarizing documents. So those are the only 5, well, 9 if you count the honorable mentions. AI tools I think everyone should be using. They cover all the major bases: writing, image creation, coding, and general productivity. There's never been a better time to get started with AI tools. The possibilities are endless for how they can enhance your work and life. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos on leveraging AI. In the next video, I'll be diving deeper into prompt engineering, the skill of crafting prompts to get the best results from AI tools. See you there.